Calicut has a deep-rooted trade history. Tyndis Trail along Valiyangadi goes through the stories of the bustling trade that flourished, supported by small and tiny businesses in the bylanes and alleys of the big bazaar of Calicut. Present day, Valiyangadi has a silent and slow pace in the morning. One can easily imagine the bygone streets of Valiyangadi with wealthy merchants from far-off places bringing in precious goods and waiting to take back home loads of spices and precious items of Calicut. The fish market next to Valiyangadi is live in the morning, with fishermen and customers bustling in the market. This is the time when Valiyangadi gets ready for the day's business. Municipality workers cleans the streets and prepares the place ready for a bustling day of trade. Soon the streets come alive. Traders, headloaders, trolley pullers, and customers flow in, make a hassle inside the market. Inside this chaos, there is an untold peaceful trade that happens every day. It is one of the secrets of every heritage market that flourished with ancient maritime trade. Tyndis takes you to explore Valiyangadi, that big supermarket of Calicut, which trades everything from rice to spices and even guns. The spice shops of Valiyangadi have a rich history. It was the spices that attracted merchants from far-off places to Calicut port. And fascinatingly, many rice merchants here are in fact the forerunners of rice trade in all of Kerala. In this Tyndis tour, hear stories of ancient trade relations that Calicut port had. But our stories not just include written history, but also stories of the lives that created Valiyangadi's history. Yes, the headloaders and the trolleyers, the Bahubalis of Valiyangadi as we call them.
ഇതിന് കാലിൽ വേറെ പണിക്ക് പോലെ സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ല ഒന്നും ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. കിടന്നത് കുടിക്കലൊക്കെ പെട്ടെന്ന്. പിന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ പാപ്പക്ക് പേടിയൊന്നുമില്ല. അവർ പണിയിട്ട് വാടകയൊക്കെ വളർത്തുക. അവരൊക്കെ ഇപ്പം മരിച്ചു പോയി. ഇപ്പോൾ ആരും നമ്മളെ ആൺകുട്ടികളാണ്. അതിലൊന്ന് ഞാനിപ്പോൾ മത്സരത്തിലെത്തി കല്യാണം കഴിച്ചു. പിന്നെ ബാക്കിയുള്ള കല്യാണത്തിൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് വേറെ പ്രശ്നമില്ല.
There are many folks, like Mr. Abu Bakr, who have spent their whole life in around the marketplace of Valiyangadi, working, eating and sleeping here. They have contributed knowingly and unknowingly in creating the history of this place. Tyndis believes that the story of Valiyangadi is incomplete without their lives. It is in Valiyangadi, according to the legends, that the goddess of wealth and prosperity, Lakshmi, is believed to be stranded for good. With time, there has been a shift of trading culture in Calicut. However, one can experience the authentic charm of Calicut's trading legacy through Tyndis Valiyangadi Trail.